Hi Faze, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's only me. It's only me. Alright. Okay, so let's get right into it. You guys has been asking me for this video for a while since I've accomplished this task and I've decided that I need to make it. But listen, when you have kids and you don't usually do sit down videos, it's not easy for you to find a schedule to schedule a sit down video in. So I caught this opportunity and I'm going to do it right now and take the opportunity to just get it out of the way. Because Tyler is on vacation, so Tyler is in his room, very quiet, and Sarah is down for a nap, and I don't have to worry about taking Sarah to school and picking up Tyler from school. So whatever I would be doing in this moment, I can do this video for you guys while Sarah is taking a nap, because if Sarah is not taking a nap, this video is not possible. So you guys may or may not know that I've accomplished potty training my 2-year-old. Now my 2-year-old is Sarah Leah Delaveaus. If you guys first time to the channel and don't know her, you guys will see her well on the thumbnail, of course, maybe not throughout the video because she'll be asleep. But if you want to know who Sarah is, then you can scroll down and look at her previous vlogs, or you can just subscribe right now and you'll see another vlog tomorrow, and she'll definitely be in it, because we're family bloggers and we vlog every day, Mondays to Friday. A video is there. So if it's your first time to the channel, subscribe right now. Now you guys want to know how I accomplished potty training my 2-year-old. I'm just going to be honest with you guys and tell you guys that I have failed at least 3 times, and that's okay. No, what I need to tell you guys is every single child is different. I have 2, my son, which is the oldest, and my daughter, which is the youngest. My son the oldest and my daughter the youngest, and because of my experience with my oldest, I thought the same thing would have worked. I thought everything the same would have worked for my youngest, but it is not so at all. No, I took some of the method that I used from my oldest and utilized it with my youngest, and it worked. But what you need to know is that the timing may be completely different. No, I accomplished potty training my oldest at 18 months. Copy that? At 18 months old. No, I thought in my head that my second child would probably be the same, but I was so wrong. So because of my experience with my first, I tried potty training her during the 18 months period, and she wasn't having it. She was scared of the potty, in terms of when she sits on the potty, she would literally sit on the potty for like an hour and hold her pee intentionally. Okay, gave that a break and tried a second time, wasn't ready. My husband said to me, honey, why not give her a few months where she can talk some more? Mind you, she could have said pee pee and caca, but I don't think she understood how to say it to you, to say she wants pee pee and say she wants caca. So my husband suggested that I waited a few months and then try again, which at this time was my 3rd attempt. My second attempt was also a bit traumatizing for her, because when she go on the potty, if she wanted to do number 2 or she felt it coming, she would cry and she would scared. So I didn't want to continue and to make her feel like the potty is gonna hurt her or the potty is dangerous, or whenever she see the potty she would cry. So I gave up that, gave it some few months, and then just this Christmas 2021, when we went on vacation, just before we went on vacation, she showed me a sign that she was actually ready. I myself was using the toilet, and she came and sit on the potty and she peed immediately, and she got up and she smiled and she started dancing and said, Sarah, pee in the potty. No, that is a sign to tell you that, hey, she's ready. And as parents, we need to also listen to our kids, because they tell us a lot of the time when they're comfortable and they're ready to do something. Though at the same time we have our mommy instinct and our parent instinct where a little motivation goes a long way and will change their mindset, but in some cases we are to really listen, and this has taught me that nothing happened before they are ready to do it, and that is very important. Now let's jump into the method that I used for Sarah to accomplish potty training in the day. So I get a chart, a blank chart, place it somewhere in the house where it's easy for her to access and to see. And this place that I placed it was in her room behind her door. So I stick it on her door, and this chart was to add stickers of accomplishment on the chart. So the method we would use is that each time she pee or she number two, we would give her a sticker. The entire family would sing her Sarah pee pee in the potty or Sarah caca in the potty and dance to celebrate her accomplishment, and then give her a sticker, and she would run to the room and put the sticker on the chart. Now what you also need to do is, if you have a lot of persons living in your home, more than one people living in your home, make sure that everybody is on board with her potty training. Get everybody involved. Get dad involved like me. We get papa involved. We get brother involved. So everybody sing and celebrate when she accomplished peeing or number two in the potty. And that, you know, kind of get everybody on board, and she's so happy and smiling and dancing when she accomplished that. So the joy of her accomplishment makes her want to do it more. So what we find is that she would just run to the potty and do a little pee just to dance or just to get a sticker, which is good, because with practice she would realize that you don't just sit and a little, but you sit and actually pee. But you don't stop her from doing her little games, because she'll eventually get it. So that's what we did with Sarah. I would put her on the potty randomly. I would put her on the potty like every 30 minutes, right? And she pees on her own right away, get up, and then give her a sticker. Then you move that 30 minutes to an hour, and by the time you move it to an hour, by that time she now starts to tell you when she wants to pee pee. And oh, what I also need to tell you guys is that I kept my first child in nothing at the bottom, no underwear, no diaper, nothing, and that worked for him. I tried that method with my daughter and it did not work. She wanted something on, so what I had to do was get her underwears, and she loved the underwears because the pattern on the underwears are characters that she liked, like Minnie Mouse and Elsa and Peppa Pig. So also, if you have a girl, which in this video I'm really mostly referring to my daughter, get her the underwears that she like, and that will also help to facilitate her wearing underwears. So the other thing that I must also tell you guys is that I have 2 potty in the house. So I kept one of the potty where she frequents throughout the day, which is in the living room, and I kept another one close to the toilet, right at the toilet door. So if she's in the living room, she can easily access this one, and if she's around there, she can easily access that one. So she knows that wherever she's and she wants to potty, she knows where to find it, and she knows the potty station. So you never move your potty from where you put it the first time. You let it stay in that place, so she knows that that is where to go each time to pee. But what you also need to know is that accidents will happen, and that's okay. When the accidents happen, what you need not to do is not to get mad at the child. Don't be mad at yourself, but encourage them. When Sarah have accidents, what I used to do is repeat, will say to her, where does the pee-pee go? And she will tell me, the pee-pee goes in the potty. I'll say to her, no, pee-pee goes in the potty, not on the couch or not on the floor. And that will help her to know that, okay, when you want to pee-pee, you go in the potty, you don't do it on the couch or on the floor or on yourself. So that helps. Each time they have an accident, you don't get mad at them, but you encourage them and remind them where the pee-pee is to go or where the caca is to go. When they have an accident, you do not give them a sticker, so that way you encourage them that what they did was wrong, and you don't get a reward for doing that. You only get a reward when you do this, and that works for Sarah. No, where the sticker is concerned, after a while they will eventually start going to the potty. They'll eventually voluntarily start going to the potty. No, we slowly, at this point, you slowly withdraw from the dance celebrations. You slowly withdraw from the sticker. So each time they pee, you do what you're supposed to do, wipe or throw the pee in the toilet and flush, but you do not give them any sticker, because you also find that they also don't dance and celebrate anymore, and they don't ask for the sticker anymore. So this is where the sticker withdrawal come from. And by the end of the sticker withdrawal, you'll have a full potty trained child. Sarah is not potty trained at nights as yet, because she's going through so many transitions right now, and the day potty training is okay for me. As soon as some of these transitions have been accomplished, what she's going through, like transition for school and transition in taking away the bottle from her and the pacifier, then I'll go ahead with night training, which night training won't be hard, because I even find that now that she day train, if she's awake in the night, I heard that she'll call me and say, Mama pee-pee. So like midnight, she have this habit of calling me to say she wants to pee. Anytime she's awake in her room and she wants to pee, she calls to say she wants to pee. So night training won't be too hard. And when I accomplish night training, I'll be sure to tell you guys what I've done to accomplish night training, which will be completely different from the day training. No, yeah, so just let me just go over some of the things that you will need to accomplish your day training. You'll need potty, 1 or 2, you decide. You'll need a chart with stickers, and you'll need underwears, whether it's a boy or a girl. Or if you don't choose to go to the underwear, then you can choose to go nothing bottom. Another thing is that while potty training, I also teach her while potty training, I also teach her how to pull up and to pull down. So now she gets the concept of pull up and pull down. She can't fully yet do it on her own, but I don't voluntarily do it alone each time. I tell her where to hold and she'll help me to do it. So eventually she'll stop I'll stop, help her to do it, and then she'll get it on her own. So yeah, that's about it on potty training. So you get your potty, you station your potty, you station your chart, you get your sticker, build a celebration dance with their name or something short and catchy, and start your potty training. But don't start until they're ready, because they'll be traumatized completely, and when they're not ready, they just won't do it. Also, I encourage you guys to let them see when you are going to the toilet, when you are using the toilet, and they'll be fascinated. Now Sarah is fascinated by flushing and wiping. If Sarah pee and you don't give her a tissue to wipe, she's not moving, and she's gonna keep saying wipe until you give her tissue to wipe. And she enjoy flushing the toilet, she enjoy going to wash her hands. So those are the little things that you encourage them to do each time. So basically that's it for my how I've accomplished potty training Sarah by using those methods. And Sarah took 1 week to potty train. Comparison to my son, he took I think 3 days. So like I said, every child is different, and if you try this method and it doesn't work, then just try something else. I just thought that I would share because so many of you has been asking me how did I accomplish potty training Sarah at 2 years old. So there you have it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the Fam Bam, and don't worry, you'll see the rest of the crew tomorrow. See you guys.